Hi friends, welcome to the world of AR. We are going to show how to host your first AR page on the free web server in this video. This will make your journey in the AR world with a bang. So this is what is a page you see we will be demonstrating in our due course of video. We are using A-frame over here. A-frame is a simple HTML based AR framework where we will be using few AR tags or few HTML based AR tags to display to bring different items onto the web page. So this code, the simplest code over here, you see this is a hello world program in using A-frame. How to use this and where it is hosted, we will be seeing. Now, the first thing is select the appropriate free web host. So there are many free web hosts available on the web, Glitch, W3 School, 000 web host, and many other. So we have selected Glitch. Just open that glitch.com, and after glitch.com, go and log in. You can use a login through your existing Facebook, GitHub, or Google, or create your own account. After that, just click onto the new project and open the default project based upon the HTML. Existing index.html file will be there. We don't want this code, right? We will be uploading, we will be removing this code, we will be deleting this code and pasting the code which I have kept for you. The code, the hello world code of AR is placed right on my GitHub account, servansing.com, servansing/AR, and just scroll down to see there is a link which says the first page, A-frame page. This is your code. Copy. There's a link available right over here. Right. Copy the code. Click the link. It will be copied. Just paste the link. Paste the code in that existing index.html. Remove the earlier code. Right. And this website is ready. Just click this preview button right over here and view this image. View this page into the separate window, right? A new window where you host, you see how this the page is existing, all the AR components are existing, and you can view this page using the VR mode as well. So see how simple it is.